In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy products from JoyaGoo. Now, the first thing you'll need is a JoyaGoo account, so there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll be able to get yourself some coupons and some bonuses whenever you make purchases. Now, once you're on JoyaGoo and you have your account, here you simply have to either insert your product's link or name or the shop's link you're looking for. So click here and just type in whatever you want. It can be as broad as just typing in a shirt, shoes, or whatever you're looking for, or you can go more specific and give it some details to actually match your search. For me, I'm gonna go with shirt right now and click on submit. And then there we go. Now the first thing you can do is you can filter between Taobao and 1688 over here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one, for example, and then you can see a bunch of different things. You can of course sort this by sale or price over here, so you're free to do this as well. But of course, once you find something and you can see the prices, etc., you can just click on that specific item and then it's gonna open up. There we go. For example, this thing. And then you can have over here all the things you want to have. So here you can select your color and then you can select your size and then the quantity. So we're going to do this right now. So let's just click on, for example, this color and then the quantity or the size is going to be L. And then let's do quantity. I'm going to do 2 and then it's going to say minimum over here. Then you have to check agree and you can either add this to cart if you want to buy anything else, or you can just click buy now. For me, I'm gonna click on buy now because we're gonna go buy now. There we go. Then over here on this website, oh, let me just go through again. Actually, I should have confirmed that, my bad. There we go, buy now. Okay, you have to confirm this. Actually, this is a disclaimer over here. And if you get the disclaimer, of course, you can confirm it. If you don't, that's okay. Here, you have to, of course, type in the destination. So we're going to just do this right now. There we go. And then you can see your product. You can see all about it. And then if everything looks good, you can click on over here, click on I have read and agree. And then here, click on buy now. This is going to redirect you to the site where you have to basically put in your payment info. And then once you've done that, click pay for order and then you'll be able to select where you want it shipped. And then you've successfully bought your product from JoyaGoo. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.